Welcome and good morning, my dear student. Today we start English grammar, chapter number 8, on page number 22. Today our topic is prepositions. See, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relation between another word and a noun, phrase or a pronoun that follows it. प्रीपोजिशन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो शो करता है रिलेशन किसके बीच, अनदर वर्ड के बीच यानी किसी और वर्ड के बीच और नाउन के बीच, नाउन फ्रेज के बीच और प्रोनाउन को फॉलो करता है. सी हियर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन इन सेंटेंसेस. I wrote to Amaya. See here, in this sentence, preposition is to. The preposition to shows the relation between the verb wrote and the noun Amaya. Preposition क्या बता रहा है? To. Relation बता रहा है किसके बीच? Verb के और noun के बीच. See second one, I wrote to the chief engineer. The preposition to shows the relation between the verb wrote and the noun phrase chief engineer. See here again, in this sentence also preposition is to. और ये जो to है वो शो कर रहा है रिलेशन किसके बीच? verb wrote और noun phrase के बीच, जो कि क्या है? चीफ इंजीनियर. सी थर्ड वन, I wrote about him. Here about is preposition. The preposition about shows the relation between the verb wrote and the pronoun him. अब ये about इसके बीच में रिलेशन शो कर रहा है verb wrote और pronoun him. Now see fourth one, we visited the gateway of India. Here of is preposition. It shows the relation of the preposition of shows the relation between the noun gateway and India. See fifth one, we reached right. Now see fifth one, we reached right on time. The preposition on shows the relation between the adverb right and the noun time. Sixth one, everyone including the king stood up. Here including is preposition. It shows the relation between the noun everyone and the noun phrase the king. See student, question number 1, activity. अंडरलाइन द प्रीपोजिशन इन द फॉलोइंग. आपको ये जो सेंटेंसेस दिए हुए हैं उनमें सिर्फ प्रीपोजिशन को अंडरलाइन करना है. इट इज सो सिंपल. सी हियर, ही वाज अनकाइंडली ट्रीटेड बाय मेनी ऑफ द विलेजर्स. बाय एंड ऑफ, ये क्या है? प्रीपोजिशन है. देखो ये रिलेशन शो कर रही है किसके बीच में? वर्ब ट्रीटेड के बीच में और नाउन ऑब्जेक्ट विलेजर्स के बीच में. इन दिस सेंटेंस देयर आर टू प्रीपोजिशंस. सेकेंड वन, टू बिलीव इज टू सी एंजल्स डांसिंग अमंग द क्लाउड्स. प्रीपोजिशन अमंग. इट इज शो द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन वर्ब डांसिंग एंड noun angel. Through an open window I can see a woman at a table. Here through and at is preposition. All our hopes and dreams are within reach. See here, preposition is within. The show relationship between verb hopes and noun, are. I am on my way to London to find my fortune. In this sentence, prepositions are on and to. See, 6.1. They arrived in London just before nightfall. Before is preposition. Then he flew round the bed, mowing the air round the boy's face with his wings. Preposition round, around and with. See here, all these prepositions shows the relationship between verb and noun. At night, they scampered all over him. At and over. Everyone produced something except Dick. Except preposition, it shows relationship between noun, Dick and verb produce. Now see 10th one. I wish I were a gardener with nobody to stop me from digging. With and from. These two words are preposition. The stream tumbles down the green mountains only 2 miles or so away. Preposition down. It shows the relationship between noun and verb. She noted a pot of blossom plants near the wall. Near shows the relationship between pot and she. Pronoun. She looked healthier than the other plants. Then preposition shows relationship between verb looked and object, noun, phrase, plants. Students, remaining 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 are homework for you. Do by yourself and complete your English grammar workbook. It is so simple. Thank you. Have a nice day.